Looking towards your next professional zebra blind window treatment? Our customer reviews for Diamond Custom Shutters Inc. average rating is 10 out of 10 from 272 reviews. Let's talk about the benefits of zebra blinds. Versatile light control. Zebra blinds offer unparalleled control over the amount of light entering a room. By adjusting the position of the sheer and opaque panels, you can create the perfect balance between natural illumination and privacy, making them a versatile choice for any room in your home. Enhanced privacy. The opaque sections of zebra blinds effectively block out unwanted views, providing a higher level of privacy compared to traditional sheer curtains or blinds. This makes them an excellent choice for bedrooms, bathrooms, and other areas where privacy is a top priority. Improved energy efficiency. Zebra blinds can help regulate the temperature in your home by blocking out direct sunlight and reducing heat gain. This, in turn, can lead to lower energy bills and a more comfortable living environment, especially during the hotter months. Stylish and contemporary design. Zebra blinds bring a modern and sophisticated aesthetic to any room. The unique striped pattern adds visual interest and can be easily coordinated with a variety of interior design styles, from minimalist to eclectic. Durability and low maintenance. Zebra blinds are typically made from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand daily use and exposure to sunlight. They also require minimal maintenance, making them a hassle-free option for busy homeowners. Learn more about our 99% rating on Home Stars and discover why Diamond Custom Shutters Inc. is your go-to company for any job big or small.